The government should have minimal interventions in education policy as it belongs to everyone, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said today as he addressed the inaugural sessions of the Governors' Conference on the National Education Policy. PM Modi said and urges the people to take collective responsibility in implementing the policy in letter and spirit. Speaking at the inaugural sessions of the Governors' Conference on the National Education Policy, Prime Minister Modi said, education policy and education system are important means of fulfilling the aspirations of the country. Centre, state government, local bodies all are attached to the responsibility of education system. But it is also true that the government, its interference in education policy, its impact should be minimal. As foreign policy, defense policy are of the country, not government, so is education policy. It belongs to everyone, the Prime Minister said. In the new education policy, first since 1986, the pressure on students for taking specific streams have been removed, he said. The NEP, PM Modi said, focuses on learning instead of studying and is based on critical thinking rather than curriculum, with a special focus on the passion, practicality and performance. The new policy will help tackle the issues of brain drain and help India become a knowledge economy in the 21st century, he said while addressing the virtual conference, which was attended by Education Minister of various states, Vice Chancellors of states, universities and other senior officials. New education policy paves way for opening campus of best international institutions in India so that youth from simple families can also join them, he said. We are working to make India a knowledge economy to tackle brain drain. The NEP has paved the way for opening campuses of best international institutions in the country to bring them within the reach of youth from simple families, the Prime Minister said. In our collective responsibility that the policy is implemented in letter and spirit. The more teachers, parents, students are associated with the education policy, the more relevant and broad-based it will be, the PM added. Titled A Role of NEP 2020 in Transforming Higher Education, the conference is being organized by the Ministry of Education. The NEP approved by the Union Cabinet in July replaces the 34-year-old National Policy on Education framed in 1986 and is aimed at paving the way for transformational reforms in schools and higher education system to make India a global knowledge superpower. Bureau Report.